everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Aditi, and if you like my content, then don't forget to subscribe this channel before you leave. Alright guys, so please don't mind my background. This is like Anurag's birthday was on 1st February and it is like still there. If you guys are wondering, this is March or April, like I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, but yes, I am shooting this on 3rd of February. So yes, that's why this decoration is still there. So I have created this look. This is a lilac smoky eyes or lavender smoky eyes, like whatever you want to call it, and I am in love with this look. Like look at this, it is so glam and you won't believe that it is super easy to create. I have applied some silver glitter because just to make it a little glam, I would say. So yes, I have done that. I want to wear this look and go out, have some awesome pictures. Okay, so you know how much I am obsessed with this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm beginning this tutorial with my eyes because I have already done my base. So it is everything same. So first I am getting rid of any crease that I have. And I have already primed my eyes, like I have put on the concealer and the powder. So yes, so for this tutorial I am using my chameleon palette because I have all the shades of purple in this. So may you call it lilac or lavender. So I'm using this color. So this is like a pure lavender color. So I'm using this color as my transition color. No browns today. I have taken this Urban Decay Naked Blending Brush and starting from the outer corner, like from here, and slowly taking the color all over my crease and above the crease. So this is like a sort of flat blending brush. This I have taken to first set my crease. Then I'll take another fluffy blending brush to blend it. So I'm gonna do the same for my other eye as well. First here, the inner corners, and then the outer corners. Now all the way up to here. And now I'm gonna take this big fluffy blending brush and taking again the lavender color on this brush. So this is like a really light color and I hope you all can see. And you all can create a lot of looks with the lavender color only. There are a lot of looks, but I want to create something simple so that you all can, recreate it. And now I am gonna take this purple color, like this is not dark purple, but slightly darker than the one I have used on my crease. I'm taking this color on the flat side of this brush.
And I think I must spray some makeup fixer. Okay, nice. It's like all over except my brush.
So I'm gonna pick this color on this brush like this, beautiful. And now I'm gonna fill this color on the middle of my lid. And now taking this blending brush again, like the other side of the brush, I am going to soften the edges, like this is some sharp lines. So taking that lavender color on this brush and dusting off the excess, I'm gonna smoothen up the edges. And now with a twist, like it's your choice. If you want to keep it like this is very soft and simple. So if you want to keep it like this, you can keep it like this. But if you want something, extra sultry and glam, yes. So I'm gonna take this silver glitter. Let's just try how it looks to the inner corners and all the way to the middle of my lid. Wow, just wow.
And I think I need a little more on this side, like this side.
And now it's time for the lower lashes. I'm gonna take this flat side and gonna take that dark purple color like this one. I'm sort of blending it. Yes, and now there is one more thing that I want to do. Like if you want to if you want to leave it like this, you can, but like taking the same glitter. And if you are wondering what glitter am I using, it is some Hang Fang, I believe. Like, yeah, and it is a wonderful glitter. Like you can see, I have this like 6 colors of this: silver, copper, bronze, rose gold, like this kind of. They are in 6 colors, black also. So I've taken this on the flat brush and I'm gonna place it somewhat here, like just to give it a little shimmery effect to my lower lash as well. Now one thing is left, and that's mascara. But before mascara, I want to do one thing more. So I'm gonna put this white kajal. And now it's time for the mascara. It's totally optional if you want to put eyeliner, but I don't like to put eyeliner, so I'm directly going in with the mascara. And now I'm gonna put on some falsies and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with my lashes, and with this my whole eye makeup is completed and they look super awesome. I am in love with this look. I'm gonna put in highlighter. For highlighter today I'm gonna use this In Color one. This is a superb highlighter. I love it, and I'm using this one because it has some shades of pink and what do you call, like lilac color. So yes, I'm gonna use this highlighter and this will go well with my look. And first I'm gonna spray some makeup fixer because I want that blinding glow on my face. So yes,
Let be some on my face as well.
and now to bind the whole look, I'm gonna apply some lipstick and then I'm totally done. Alright guys, so I have picked these 2 colors. I'm gonna go in with both. First I'm gonna try Eye Rule. This is the 105, and let me tell you, this is the L'Oreal Paris Root Signature Matte Lipsticks. Alright, so I don't think this is going in with my look, so I'm gonna try in this shade Eye Rule. Like, I'm just gonna top it over this one. And guys, if you want to see full review of these lipsticks, like the swatch, and want to know everything about these lipsticks, then I'm gonna leave it here. So you can click the link and you will directly reach onto my video. Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I am sure that this look is really simple for you to recreate. So don't forget to tag me if you recreate this look, and if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below.